Hello there, this is Otávio Pitaluga, founder of TaqTaq, your B2C to B contact management app. We have it now, the version 1.6.2, and we will present a tutorial. As you can see, the default language now in TaqTaq is English, and you can sign it up with a LinkedIn button. And in the next versions, we may have other buttons, Gmail and Instagram are in the pipeline. So since I have already connected in the old way of just signing up my account, I will log in and we will continue the presentation. So, very nice thing about TaqTaq is that we are global and multilingual. So you have English, Brazilian, Spanish, German, Italy, French, Dutch, and Japanese. Let's check it out for the most recent language we have. Start with Dutch. As you can see, look, translation is pretty good. Ik ben lifetime. Or let's go to Japanese. Oh, see, Japanese, Raifu Taimo. This. And let's go back to English. You can check it out. It works very fine for all other languages. So let's go for the presentation. As you see, the heart and the top of your card is because this is my favorite card. And the pencil is by editing and also the sharing link. And for the QR code, if you are not a tech user yet, so you can scan it here. But if you are already a Taker, which is the user of TaqTaq, is called a Taker, then you can go over here and scan this card and you can grab the information, or you can trash and delete. So I recommend you to name a card. This is my principal card. And then you can see here my email, my telephone number, and all my social media presence. I have already adjusted my Instagram. I have put my Instagram in Portuguese and in Brazilian and in English. And here is a presentation in a tutorial in Portuguese. I added an English one when I finish this recording this video. And then I have done the same for my YouTube. As you can see here, my channel and also the presentation of the tutorial in Portuguese. And then you have other links. You have my TikTok, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, LinkedIn. So you can create your cards. I will not show you this right now, but this is my card. So if you are a lifetime, you can have a limited number of contacts and limited number of cards. I have even prepared a card for investors. Okay, I don't need to send you. I have in this link here, I have my presentation, my pitch deck attached to it. And also how to add your contacts. You have two ways. Either you scan the QR code like the way I showed you, or you can get the link of contact, copy and paste. And then you have your network in the palm of your hands. And here is the plan that you are entitled. You have either freemium with 2 cards and 50 contacts, or lifetime with a limited number of cards and contacts, and many more features that will come very soon. So basically that's it. Become a Taker. Download TaqTaq right now. Invite your friends. Start checking everywhere, in events, with good people, business people, your friends, family, and also I hope that you can get good business and also find a job that you want. Just one final detail here. Let's see, in TaqTaq, you have as you can see here, here's the tutorial in Portuguese, and you have a presentation on November 21st, Thursday. We have it in Portuguese, in Brazilian Portuguese, about sales, our B2B solution. If you want to see a presentation like this in English, just comment here, go to our TaqTaq in English, our register, follow us up in English, and register here, take a look, and comment here that you'd like to see our presentation, B2B sales, and I'm thinking about noon time Brazil, and there we go. So basically that's it. That is the new tutorial. Many more things. Follow us up on Instagram, and then many more new features, functionalities, and new versions will be announced very soon. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.